All right, we are back today. We are staining the pavilion, and my father is actually doing it. He has a sprayer. So we're gonna see how this is. We'll see how it goes. Who's this?
I love the haircut, man. I love it.
So yeah, my father is actually gonna be staining it today.
The old guy. The old guy's here.
We got Jack, we got JJ.
Good to see you. Yes.
He's got a, he's a pro painter, so he's doing it. I'm just gonna brush it down real quick to get off any debris before he goes ahead and does it. So I'm just gonna set up the camera and
Have a lot of weight this
I'm running out of blocks.
all right, let's see. Let's clean that. All right, we're at 27%. I have another battery.
Well, let's see what the color's gonna be.
So Jack is watching today,
Oh,
right? Are you watching? Huh? Let's see that tooth. I want to show people your tooth. Let me see. It's popping up on the bottom. It's right there. Right where my thumb is. His first tooth. Did you see him dressed up as a lumberjack?
what a character.
Jack! Watch out for his blanket, bud. There you go. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Hey, JJ? The older brother. The big brother. Hi! Hey, my name's JJ. Yeah.
Is that baby thinking it's stinking?
How old are you now, JJ?
10. Well, 10 and a half.
Yeah.
A little bit over 10 and a half.
Yep. Love you.
Love you too.
You got a big brother? Are we just watching?
It's okay. Look at how wet it looks. And that's the way it stays.
Oh, it looks amazing.
I still gotta finish this beam on this side, but when I get to there, I'll turn around and bring it back.
Yeah.
Do the same thing here. But the beams, now you can put latex on it after it dries a year.
Just want to show you guys the end result.
It looks pretty nice.
It looks so much better. Yep, this is the look I had in mind.
Ooh.
Was it that James Bibeau custom painting?
Yeah.
James Bibeau custom painting. If anyone wants.
Lone Wolf paint.
Lone Wolf.
Hello.
Hopefully someone wants me to build him one of these someday, because I had a lot of fun building this thing. Actually, I had so much fun, I'm going to build another one. JJ hanging out. What do you think, JJ? We built this. Isn't that crazy?
I know.
We built it and Pepe sprayed it.
We put a lot of hard work in it.
Yep.
And now it looks really nice.
Look at you, did those concrete columns of me, you cut the wood.
So long ago. Yeah, I don't even remember it.
It was only 4 months ago, dude. 4 or 5 months ago.
4 months ago?
Yeah, because Jack is 6 months old and we started this process right when he was born.
Oh!
So 4 months ago. It felt like 8.
No, it wasn't that long ago. That's the thing about life when you're busy.
Yeah.
It feels like more.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a wet spot up here.
When you fill your time with things, it seems like a lifetime ago. Like, look at Jack now. He's crawling, he's standing up.
He's so thrilled with everything, huh? He thinks everything's cool.
I'll tell you what, he definitely doesn't have ADD. he could concentrate on things, unlike some of us.
Yeah.
I'm the same way, JJ.
It's not a problem. It's just a problem you got to get over. That's
Yeah, it's just a creative. Your mind's creative.
I wonder if I could get all the way out.
It works differently, that's for sure.
Like, sit on the pole.
We're gonna wrap this video up, guys. I just wanted to show you this process and a professional doing it, because as you could tell with the last video,
Looks
it was
wet,
really
huh?
hard. It looks really good. So, Jack, what do we say? If you like it, subscribe, and there'll be more content.
What's the moral of this story? Use oil, not latex on bare wood.
Yeah, don't use latex. Oil will protect it.
And then you can use latex once you got the oil on.
Yeah, because if you use oil again, won't it darken it?
Yeah, it'll darken it, it'll preserve it even more.
Okay.
It'll actually harden it to where it's almost...
So do you suggest that we do oil in a few years again?
Yeah, but if you could find it, you know...
Well, I'm going to buy some and I'm going to store it in the garage.
Get the